I just want to welcome you to the channel where we do tutorials and just teach you about YouTube and how to do good videos. This is called FlexHop Media, and today we're just going to look at something very important, and it disturbs a lot of people. We are going to do set on a laptop a screen keyboard, and what we have to do is just come down here to the home button and then tap in settings. After tapping in settings, go to system, and in system just type here screen keyboard. Just type in screen keyboard, and remember we're using an HP laptop. Screen keyboard is just down there. It says turn on the screen keyboard, and then you just come here and turn it on, and it will come automatically here. So we're going to try and test this screen by coming down here in Chrome and then tap in our channel name. Tap in FLEXYHOPE Media. Flexy H O P E, then media, and see what we get. Media, and then you tap on enter. We'll get, just scroll it a little bit up so we can see the videos. You see our videos? Those are the videos that we get. We don't I think Flex Help Ministry is more on here. So can you try to move it wider a little bit? There, we see other channel videos like my own channels. So that is how you go about it. Thank you for watching the video.